Is U.S. inequality increasing? This is Richard Vague with Tycos. In a word, yes. And that's true of the whole world, generally speaking. To a certain extent, the factors driving this increase are embedded into the economy. So this rise in inequality seems likely to continue. Let's take a look. First, at income. The U.S. Census Bureau report released on September 9th, 2025 indicates that real median household income in the U.S. in 2024 was $83,730, growing a mere 1.8% over the prior year to surpass the 2019 peak of $83,260. The report also highlights that for mean income, households in the top 20% saw real gains of 3.6% from 2023 to 2024, while households in the bottom 60% experienced a much smaller increase of 1.7%. If we look at the trends going back to 1967, we can clearly see that the top 20% is continuing to pull away from the bottom quintiles. Make no mistake, real incomes are rising. It's just that very little of that increase is occurring in the lower income groups. Furthermore, data from the regular Bureau of Labor Statistics survey shows that over the last decade, in other words, for years, the bottom half of these income groups have been spending more than they make, which underscores the stress reported by so many. To us, this fact, the fact that they're spending more than they're making, goes a long way to explain why the electorate has been so unsatisfied with government, so distrustful for years. Although we would warn to use this data with caution, as the BLS is likely underreporting income for all percentiles. But that doesn't change the fact that the bottom 50% are continuing to rely on debt to fund many of their purchases. This is all income and expenditure related. But even more telling is in regards to the net worth gap, also called the wealth gap.